So in this video we are going to be talking about interior design trends for 2025. I know we still got a good few more months left of this month, but it's going to be here before you know it. Let's get into it. The first trend that I have been seeing, and I think it's been on the cards for a little while, it's all about sustainability and eco-friendly design. This does cover quite a wide range of elements. So this is from using natural materials such as linens, cottons, wool, reclaimed wood, natural stones and cork, to upcycling furniture, which I am a big fan of. Quite a lot of our furniture in our home is upcycled or has been repurposed. And then also there's thrifting and vintage buys as well. You can find some fab bits of home decor in charity shops or thrift stores. And then the other end of this design trend as well is having smart home technology. So this can be heating control devices. That means that you've got easier control over your heating and hot water, to smart lighting, etc. That all sort of helps towards reducing your carbon footprint. The next design trend that I've been seeing is biophilic design. So this is all about bringing the outdoors in, having that indoor-outdoor feeling within your home. This can be created with plants. You could even have a living plant wall, or you could bring in an indoor water feature. And then in terms of shape and materials, you want organic materials such as linen, wool, reclaimed wood, stone and clay, and then sort of furniture shape should be more organic shape, so curvy and soft edges on your furniture. This aesthetic also has a positive impact on your health and well-being. It creates a calming and stress reducing environment, while also the indoor plants will also help improve air quality as well. And then my next design trend, which I am all about, is maximalist. So this is all about layering and mixing styles. So you could be mixing modern and traditional, or mid-century with bohemian vibes. There is a lot of use of bold, bright colours and patterns, showcasing your sentimental and created collections, as well as your eclectic art, textiles and home decor items. There's no real rules to this. It's definitely all about showing off your personality, which is very much our style in this house. If you want to have a tour of our home, then do check out this video here. And the next trend that I have been seeing is modern organic. There's quite a few elements that cross over with the biophilic design. So with modern organic, it's all about blending the clean lines and simplicity of modern design with natural organic elements. So you will find a use of natural colours and materials such as linens, woods, stone and wool. And then furniture will be clean lines and simple while being cosy and functional. This style does promote a sense of balance and tranquility, which will enhance your general well-being. Before I move on to the next topic, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. So if you do like this kind of style of video, then please let me know in the comments down below. Now let's talk about colour trends. So there's definitely a move away from the beige on beige trend that we've been seeing, thank God. Not my vibe, but each their own. So we are seeing trends of warm neutrals and earthy tones. Think earthy reds and warm oranges with neutral colours such as taupe and soft browns. These colours create a cosy and inviting space that feels connected to nature. So the next colour trend that I've been seeing is nature inspired tones. So think sage greens, deep forest greens and soft blues. These all bring a calming and rejuvenating feel that you can get from the great outdoors. The next colour trend, which I am loving, is dramatic and bold hues. So I think dual colours like deep blues, emerald greens, sapphire blues and deep purples. This is all about showcasing your personality and being bold, whilst also giving a sense of luxury. And then the last colour trend is soft lavenders and lilacs. Oh yes, we are reliving the late 90s, early noughties. I think most teenage girls would have had a lilac bedroom. These colours definitely give a sense of femininity and romance. So perfect for a bedroom or bathroom. So So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you want to check out this video, it's all about do's and don'ts in your home. And let me know in the comments down below, is there any trends that you're seeing that you're loving as well? Let me know. I'd like to hear what you've been seeing and enjoying, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.